Hello, mathematicians. Here is long division homework number 3. 622 divided by 8. Think groups of 8, groups of 8. You cannot make a group of 8 from 6, but you can make some groups of 8 from 62. 7 groups of 8. Lots of kids have been making errors with their subtraction. Be very careful as you subtract. How many groups of 8 can you make from 62? Another 7. When there's nothing to bring down, that's when you know you're done. Let's do the one right next door. 905 divided by 5. Think groups of 5. I can make one group of 5 out of 9. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract, bring down. I can make 8 groups of 5 from 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract, bring down. And I can make 0 groups of 5 from 4. 0 times 5 is 0. Subtract, there's nothing to bring down. That's when you know you're done. 180, remainder 4. Right down below, 624 divided by 3. Think groups of 3. I can make 2 groups of 3 out of 6. Multiply 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 3 can you make from 2? 0 groups. Multiply 0 times 3 is 0. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 3 can you make from 24? Exactly 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, there's nothing to bring down. That's when you know you're done. And the last one on the front page, 888 divided by 6. One group of 6. 1 times 6 is 6. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 6 can we make from 28? Let's see. 6 times 5 is 30, so it's got to be 6 times 4, because 4 groups of 6 is 24. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 6 can we make from 48? 8 groups. Because 8 groups of 6 is 48. Subtract, there's nothing to bring down, that's when you know you're done. All right, on the back. 743 divided by 4. Think groups of 4. Multiply. How many groups of 4 can you make from 34? Let's see, 4 times 9 is 36. That's too big, so 4 times 8. 8 groups of 4. How many groups of 4 can we make from 23? 5 groups. Subtract, there's nothing to bring down. That's when you know you're done. 185 with 3 left over. Right next door, 599 divided by 7. Groups of 7. You can't make any groups of 7 from 5, but you can make groups of 7 from 59. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9 is 63. That's too much. So 7 times 8 is 56. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 7 can we make from 39? 5 groups. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, there's nothing to bring down. That's when you know you're done. Down below, 8,000 divided by 9. Think groups of 9. You can't make any groups of 9 from 8, but you can make some groups of 9 from 80. 9 times 9 is 81, so it better be 8 times 9. Again, a lot of mistakes with subtraction. Be very careful as you subtract. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 8 can you make from 80? Another 8. I'm sorry, how many groups of 9 can you make from 80? 8 times 9 is 72. Again, be very careful as you subtract. All right, that's a cool answer. And the last one on the page, 6,537 divided by 2. Think groups of 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 3 can we make? Groups of 2 can we make from 5? We can make 2 groups of 2. Subtract, bring down. How many groups of 2 can we make from 13? 6 groups of 2. And how many groups of 2 can we make from 17? 8 groups of 2. There's nothing to bring down. That's when you know you're done. All right, here are the answers for the first side and the answers for the second side. Okay, kids, I'll see you in class.